रास्ते से नीचे न उतरें, माइन फील्ड एरिया है, यहाँ पर माइंस बिछी हुई हैं. There are a lot of mines around, like this red flag that you see.
How did I end up here? To know that, we need to rewind a bit and start from where it all started. The journey started from Delhi when we decided to do a road trip from Delhi to Leh on TVS Ronin, shot with CEAT Tyres. But for that, the first thing is first, having a new fresh set of tires for our bike. So for that, we headed to the CEAT Shoppy.
So here we are all set for yet another adventure on TVS Ronin once again. Like last time when I rode TVS Ronin, it was from Delhi to Goa. And this time I'm starting on a new adventure, riding from Delhi to Leh. And when you are going for a long runs, you need a good set of shoes. And same thing goes for your bike. Right now we are here at the CEAT Shoppy, going to get the new Zoom XL. Officially, we are on the ride now, and we are riding to Leh. Rain God is also interested in seeing what we have in our ride and where are we riding to. Just hope the roads stay like this, the weather stays like this, and what else one could need? Yes, of course, a tank full of fuel. And I'm so glad that I'm getting to do this. Thanks to xBhp that I keep getting such opportunities, be it in India or outside India. So today I'm going to cover approximately 600 kilometers. I will be reaching Pathankot. I took a detour here. Just look at this, how beautiful it is. So the day has almost come to an end. As you could see behind me, it's a beautiful view of a sunset in the fields. Our bikes are the real companions who actually take us to all these beautiful places to make us see such beautiful sunsets. This is Katua gateway of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm actually going to Srinagar today. So the rain is something which actually gives you this lush green environment, and these rain gears are from Rhinox and they are performing really well. And this time I'm accompanied by the CEAT Zoom XL tires, and as the name suggests, they are excelling and helping me zooming ahead to my destination.
After riding through the bad roads, bad traffic, beautiful roads, now finally the day is coming to an end with this beautiful sunset in Srinagar.
Day 3 of my ride to Leh has started. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So right now I'm sitting here at the beautiful Dal Lake. Place is so beautiful. I've been traveling for so many years, but I've never got a chance to come to Srinagar. This experience, this feeling itself is beautiful. This is our day 3, and today I'm going to start from Srinagar to Kargil, yet another beautiful place. Sonmarg is just 13 kilometers. I'm right now in Gagangir. We are right now 158 kilometers from Kargil. The river is flowing just behind me. This is Sindh River, and behind me there are huge mountains covered with the chinar trees. I don't know what kind of roads are waiting for me ahead, that it's going to take 6 hours for 158 kilometers. Welcome to Sonmarg. Wow. The views are different. The landscape is a little different. Well, roads are not that amazing, but finally I get to see some snow. The roads have gotten very bad, but Ronin is performing really well. Power is pretty decent to ensure that you don't feel it's a underpowered bike, and to support it, the overall maneuverability of the bike, the tires, they have actually outperformed my expectations. So we are entering Kargil. Look at this beautiful view. I just can't stop using this word and phrase. So now I am about to reach my destination for the day, which is in Kargil. This is our day 4 for the ride from Delhi to Leh. So today I'm going to ride from Kargil to Leh. And right now I'm sitting in Kargil. I am in a very historical place, in a good and a bad sense, both. Good because what happened, we were victorious in that. Bad because what happened, it shouldn't have happened at all. And that is the Cargil War. I'm going to visit one of the posts, which is 13620. So this is one of the posts from where the Cargil War was actually fought. So actually there is nothing out here, almost. All these army guys, they were so interested in knowing everything about bikes, helmets. Most of them were actually aware about exhaust helmets, Rhinox gears. Oxygen level is little low here. This is primarily known as the 13620 post, be it from the 47, 65, 71 or the latest 1999. This post was earlier in the Pakistan's territory, and it used to be known as 12 number post. Still have more than 250 kilometers to cover. It's already close to 11, but I had to come here. This was a long due, and if you are in Kargil, you don't come here, that's an incomplete visit. It is steep curves, no roads. The bike is performing really great. The kind of geometry these tires follow, they really help taking corners very easily. They help you getting a great traction on the straight lines as well as on the corners. river flowing on the right, left these mountains. Leh means bikers Mecca, so they have to come here. I am here at the magnetic hill, so just look at this. It's fun.
After riding for 4 days, finally I have reached the beautiful Leh.
When you are in Leh, there are few things that you must do, and of them one is visiting Shanti Stupa, which is right in front of me. I can see that.
So right now we are in Leh, and what you see behind me is a beautiful view from Semo Monastery. Semo Monastery is basically also popularly known as Namgyal Semo. So Namgyal Semo Gongpa. It was built by King Tashi Namgyal in around 1430. The Namgyal Monastery is amongst the most significant Buddhist shrines in Ladakh, while the main structure of the Gongpa is in ruins as of today. But one of the main attractions of this monastery is a solid gold-plated idol of Maitreya Buddha, which has a height equivalent of, I guess, 3 stories. Now, after this, second stop would be Shanti Stupa. So we all bikers, most of the time we ride because motorcycling gives us peace, the peace of mind, the peace of heart, everything. And I think that is one of the main reasons why every biker really wants to come to Leh. So behind me what you see is the Shanti Stupa. So it is the symbol of world peace. It was built by a Japanese Buddhist monk. It was established in 1985 and it got completed in 1991. And since then, this place has been the symbol of world peace. And if you are in Leh and you don't visit Shanti Stupa, it is like an incomplete visit.
And just look at this with a beautiful sunset.
So we are starting our day. It is now time that we should move.
So this is our day 5 for the ride. Right now I'm in Leh, which is at about 11,000 feet. I'm going to ride from Leh to Mahe. That is once again approximately 14,000 feet. It is such a beautiful place that you find natural beauty everywhere, and also with these gongs everywhere, you feel that spirituality coming out of you by default.
This entire road is washed off because I could see a road there and then all of a sudden there is no road. Now CEAT Tyres, they don't care about your bikes only with the tires. They care about the entire bike. BMC means Bike Mobile Crew. This mobile crew is available in the remotest of the areas. A mobile van which will keep roaming around in the city, and you can just call them to check where they are. Just go to them, get your bike serviced. If you want your tires to be changed, get your tires changed, and voila. It's like I'm on a different planet.
You will always fantasize about such kind of a place wherein there is nothing. All that you could see is beautiful mountains, vast land, a river, nice roads.
Now we have done about 1600 kilometers, so I thought like it's going to be good to give a good service to our bike. CEAT Bike Mobile Crew, there it is.
So here we are finally at the Mahe CEAT Bike Mobile Crew. Now, as you might be able to see the road that we are here on, in such kind of places you don't get a lot of services. So to address those kind of issues, CEAT has come out with this initiative that they will be having this mobile van which will be going to different cities, especially to those cities which are hard to reach. It's gonna really help a lot of bikers, and it's also going to motivate a lot of bikers. They don't really have to be worried like, what if my bike breaks down or if there is any kind of need. This is an initiative to help the biking overall. We have an expert, a technician assigned from CEAT.
हाय, मेरा नाम इरशाद है। मैं माही में होता हूँ सर। यहाँ पे कई बार बहुत दिक्कत आती थी बाइकों को। आगे जाएंगे सर तो यहाँ से 30 किलोमीटर पे मिलेगा। 7 किलोमीटर पे गया था, उधर से बाइक ले आई, फिर ठीक करके दिया, फिर वो उन्होंने आगे जा पाए।
So here we are ready with our bike, thanks to the Bike Mobile Crew from CEAT. And if any of you guys are coming to Mahe or Sarchu, you know where to get your bike a treat. I would rather urge to CEAT to open this in more and more places. With that, let's move forward.
Wherever you have something about bikes, it becomes a place for bikers. Just look at this.
With bike ready, we are also ready to head back, riding on different terrains of roads, bad roads, off roads, beautiful roads, all kind of roads. We are now heading back to home. We will see you in some other ride, some other place. Till then, ride hard, ride safe.